To Spain. Hush.
So the car's back in a new day. Alright, so coming back from the other video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. This should be the part 2 of doing this hood. If y'all can tell, I already started some stuff, but don't worry about that. But make sure you guys follow the gram and subscribe to the channel. Do all that. Right now, what I am doing is I am sanding everything down. Like, remember that line that was there? That is smooth, so you shouldn't be able to see it. I'm literally gonna dry sand this whole thing because wet sanding it, I think it got it just too wet, and then it started to peel off. So that just was not a good option, especially on the first coat. I should have just dry sanded it and then wiped it down afterwards with like a rag or something. Like literally, that's literally all it's gonna take. Just like regular fucking painting. I should have done that in the first place. So what I'm gonna do is, to make all of this smooth, is I'm going to dry sand the whole thing with I'm like at like 2 something grit, 220 grit, and literally try to go up and down. So look at that versus this. So I was basically using this as a primer, and then just regular shit. And then the last coat should be the thickest coat that is actually on there. This has been drying for a couple hours now, like I'd say at least 12 hours. So yeah, we're working on dry sanding that. I might show this because this is basically supposed to be a new video. The way I just set this up, but this is supposed to be a new video, starting a new video. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far, or these videos, or enjoying the creativity that's going on. Keep subscribing. Don't skip the ads, please don't skip the ads, because we need that bread. And low-key, I gotta start posting more probably, because I think I'm behind with all these videos right now. So I'm definitely behind on days, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But right now, like literally, I'm editing a video and this thing's dragging to download. Look at this. It's been downloading. This is the second time around that I've had to download it, because this shit has been deciding to just stop. So I might be looking for a new editing software, because it's like happens way too freaking much. So we'll see about that also. So I'm probably gonna try to put the hood somewhere else, like over here, and then I'm going to what am I gonna do? I'm going to scuff it and record for you guys. So I'll be back. All right, y'all. So I look, it kind of went ham. I said I was gonna show the process. I'm gonna show the end of this process, whatever. But I actually did show the process, but then I ended up maxing out this SD card, and I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna finish this process right now. It's literally just sanding it down, getting everything smooth. It's literally all boring stuff, but this is preparation for the third coat. And we haven't ran into problems dry scuffing, so that's good news. Always good news to not run into problems. that's gonna just be it. I'm gonna literally sand it down one more time before I even paint it. But that's as smooth as we're gonna get. This disappeared, and that is smooth. So last coat, we're working on the last coat, and I'm not even getting as much dust. And I gotta still wipe this down with like a microfiber, a wet microfiber real quick, like a damp microfiber or something. But y'all see the hood, it's finna get on. Hold on, let me turn that light back on. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? So yeah, sir. Yes, sir. We finna get this new hood put on. They facing back to back like, damn, I'm really finna get off this car. I know that hood mad, but it's alright. This hood is gonna really look nice on there. So I don't know if I can see. This hood's really gonna look nice on there. It's gonna be a nice addition for the G. So, whew. But we're gonna be back whenever I turn this back on. The process now, I have to sand it again. Obviously, I'm not even gonna show that process, and then I'm going to repaint one more time. This is gonna be last coat, last everything, and hopefully I could get a good looking coat put on. So let's see, and we'll see what happens. So see you guys after I sand this one more time. And you guys get a cold start. See that hood? We're about to hang this mug up, so I gotta move the car out the way. It's pretty soft, but I'm gonna hit it one more time, and we should be kosher. So I'm about to move this thing around the block and then hang it up over here. So we'll be back. So I got the fan running back there so that the it's gonna be real dusty in here. Not like dusty or like cause I'm painting. I got the fan running in there. I'm literally about to probably, I don't know. No, I think I'm good, bro. I've sanded down everything. There shouldn't be any like deep scratches, and then I just wiped it down. So now it's the big paint over. So I'm about to try to lay a thick layer back and forth. Hopefully I don't get any lines this time because it's dark enough, and it should be flat. So and coated enough. So this has been a decent process. I guess I'll show the process of me starting it and stuff. I don't know if back here is too far to see, and this glare is not helping either. I'm trying to find a central spot I could like lay this thing so that you guys can see it real quick. Here I got you guys right here. Boom. So I'm gonna put y'all right here and let y'all see it. I'll probably start it when I start painting. I still gotta prep the gun and everything and get that put on. So let's see it. You guys, it keeps coming out so horrible, and I honestly think this is because um how it's spraying. There's like so many factors to this why I think it's coming out like this. Like, look at this, it's so horrible. And one, I think it's because this sprayer is not spraying like good enough, and two, because I wasn't spraying it right. So this is great. So right now I'm probably gonna go find a paint thinner so that I could spray it better, I guess. Um, just for the last coat, and then I might sand it down one more time and respray it, cause I have to figure out how to spray this the best and make this look the best. I've gotten it pretty like smooth, looking, like look wise, and like runningness. There's no runs, nothing, but it's just really hard to code it right. So that's a thing. Yeah, we might just call this a new video, but this is how it's been coming out. It's been coming out really weird, and I think that's because one, how the fucking thing sprays, and two, because like how wide, like maybe the thinning of it. So I'm gonna try to thin it out and spray over this. It's pretty much on there, and it's like there's like no runs or anything, but it's just drying like this. Like literally you won't hear the lines or anything. It's all consistent, but it's just drying like inconsistent. And that's cause like, bro, I'd have to do it in like little layers, and it's like not spraying consistent. Sometimes it'll start tweaking out, and I'm pretty sure it's because of the air tank and the size, and like it keeps cutting out, and the fact that it's not thin enough to like really go through it like the right way. So it's just coming out really inconsistent. So I'm gonna try some other things, and I'm gonna try to do it also flat also this time, so to see if I could just get it all wet and just do it all in one thing. But we'll see what happens, and I'm gonna try thinning it now. I got this specialty reducer, and it says makes paints and primers sprayable. So I'm gonna mix that with this. Once again, we got boom chalkboard on this joint. So hopefully I can get this to work, because this is once again like a test dummy. So yeah, hopefully I can get this working, and I guess we'll have to see. So stay tuned to what we do. Oh shit. So yeah, so stay tuned, and I'll be right back.